Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add pages to Shopify store and navigation menu. At your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from the options at the left, and under it is the Pages option, so click on that. And we can then add a new page by clicking on this Add Page option at the top right. From here, add in the title for your new page, and you can then add in your content right here. For the visibility at the top right, make sure that it is visible, and click on Save at the bottom right. Once you have done that, it is time to add our new page to the navigation menu. To do that, click on Content from the options at the left, and under it is a menu, so click on that. And we can then see a main menu option, so let's click on this one. And these are the default menu items that you have in your page, and we can then click on Add Menu Item, and we can click on this one right here, so we can add the page that we just created. Scroll down, let's click on these pages and click on the new page that you just created. Once you have selected it, click on Save at the bottom right, and it should now be added to your navigation menu. To check it, click on Online Store right here, and there should be an eye icon that will pop up, so click on that, and you can then see the new page added to our navigation menu at the top. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.